So let's dig into a little bit of demonstration here for this. Let's look at a live system and see what's going on. So let me go through. I'm going to fire off a workload in the background here. Let's look at a couple different things while we're waiting here. So again, we'll take a look at our analytics. If I want to go through, I want to dig down on my analytics. I can dig into my analytics on here. So this is going to be, again, showing real time for this here. So I see that here's my sharp increase in IO that I started doing on the system. And I can go through and I can look at this in various different ways. I want to look at my CNode IOPS. I can see here that, out of this load here, these other CNodes are running pretty well, about 600 IOPS a second. This one CNode is getting the bulk of the workload, and it's now up at 1250. If I want to factor in some bandwidth items in there, I can get these. I can go through and get these as well. So I'll see that I have these, this kind of activity here. When I go through and I look at my data flow here, and I'm hoping that is now showing what I wanted to show. There we go. So I'm going to see here for my data flow, I'm going to see, my user coming on here doing this type of IO. And I can look at this and say, hey, here's the kind of activity I have going on the system. My one user is doing all of this IO. I can see if I want to isolate this user down, I can see very, very quickly that kind of the flow here is that my user is coming from here. It's coming from this host in particular. It is coming, this IO is coming to this particular VIP pool on this particular CNode, and it's being all done to this particular view or this particular file system. So I can very rapidly get some information very, very quickly for this.